If you are using AI tools in 2026, you have probably heard about GPT 5.5, but is it actually better or just another small update? In this video, I'll quickly break down what's new, the key improvements, the downsides, and whether it's worth using or not. What is GPT 5? GPT 5.5 is the latest update in OpenAI's GPT series. It is not a complete redesign, but more of a refinement over GPT 5.3 and earlier versions. The focus here is simple: better accuracy, faster responses, and improved real world usefulness. Key features and improvements: better accuracy. GPT 5.5 makes fewer mistakes compared to previous versions. It handles facts, logic, and multi step questions more reliably. This is especially noticeable in tasks like coding, research, and problem solving. Improved speed. Responses are faster and more consistent. Even longer or more complex prompts feel smoother with less delay. Stronger reasoning. One of the biggest upgrades is reasoning. GPT 5.5 is better at understanding context, following instructions, and giving structured answers. So instead of vague replies, you get more clear and direct results. Better multimodal support. It handles images and mixed inputs better than before. For example, you can upload an image and get more accurate explanations or analysis. More useful for daily tasks. Whether it's writing, studying, or content creation, GPT 5.5 feels more practical and less robotic. Pros: more accurate answers, faster response, and faster performance, better reasoning and structure, improved image understanding, more reliable for everyday use. Cons: not a huge leap from GPT 5.3, still makes occasional mistakes. Some advanced features may depend on your plan. Can feel similar if you are a casual user. Who should use GPT 5.5? GPT 5.5 is best for students and researchers, content creators, developers, and coders, anyone who uses AI regularly. If you rely on AI daily, the improvements are noticeable. But if you only use AI occasionally, the difference might not feel huge. GPT 5.5 versus older versions. Compared to GPT 5.3, it's more accurate, slightly faster, better at understanding complex prompts. But overall, it's more of a polished upgrade, not a completely new experience. Is it worth it? So is GPT 5.5 worth using? Yes, if you want better reliability and smoother performance, but do not expect a massive jump. Think of it as a smarter, more refined version rather than a revolution. And that's a quick review of GPT 5.5 and what's new. If you find this video helpful and useful, please do not forget to support us with like, consider the subscribe for more simple AI comparisons and reviews, and let me know down below in the comments, have you tried GPT 5.5 yet or not? Thank you for watching, share this video to your friend, and goodbye.